What if you cup what's it called?
Kinda look cute on camera, dude.
Fuck it.
Can you move on to the next speaker, please?
Excuse me?
Could you move on to the next speaker?
Next speaker.
Yeah, next speaker.
Hi, Brave.
What's the difference?
I don't know.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Can I help you?
Hi, can I get a small Sprite?
Small Sprite?
Yeah.
Anything else with this?
No, that's it.
Total's gonna be 107 at the window, thank you.
Okay.
How do you say okay, thank you?
I'm moving the cup her. Oh, I get my money first.
No. Put down your seat. Leo?
Up? Yo, you missed the window. For what? Put it up?
No. Put down. Stay like that.
Thank you.
That's,
There you go.
that's perfect. Holy shit, that's perfect. I'm not gonna look, I'm gonna lie.
She threw it back in here. Yeah, she did. There's the same thing with Michael. Yo, wait, did she throw the cup? Yeah, no. I just Pepsi. Yo, let's see. Oh my
Everything's
god.
wet.
Start recording?
That's so funny, yeah.
Yo,
Everything's wet.
The other lady at Malden did the same thing to Michael.
That is so